guys, and today I'm going to be showing you the blue.
Do a weekly physical activity. Now they got golf on theirs.
Where's my green fidget spinner?
I am. I'm on golf.
This is my blue fidget spinner. My grandma's going to give me my blue one out of the.
Oh, Sherry, what her mom did. Take a class, learning new skills, like she's learning how to paint.
What's up, guys? Grandma.
Can you get your cookbooks out and find new recipes?
I do that anyway.
That's the most coolest ever.
Yeah,
oh yeah, subscribe to my channel. Comment in the below hashtag at Fidget Spinners.
I've tried.
And then I'll probably send you one through the mail. And if you do that, you will win a $5,000 gift card from Walmart. So, so
travel,
go down to the below.
Another country, can't do that.
Comment
Spend
that.
time with family.
And then if you keep doing this like this,
be a mentor. Volunteer at a local organization.
Can you hand me my green one?
Focus.
I'm doing a video for my friends. This is the blue one.
Let's say do part time.
I'm getting the green one right now. Hang on.
Those are good ideas.
This is the green one, and this is the blue one, and this is the green one. So I got blue and green, my two favorite colors. They're at Walmart for $5. So if you go out on a Walmart in Akron or Fairlawn or wherever you're at, just go there, and then you get one of these.
You should have it.
What?
I sent it to you.
And then,
okay.
guys, this video is technically not based on what I got. I'm gonna show you the double spinner. I'm gonna show you the double fidget spinner challenge.
Who is he talking to?
It's making a video.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Right now? Did you practice?
Huh? I'm doing the double fidget spinner challenge. As you see, I have two fidget spinners, and then you can spin them both. You gotta make sure they're both the same, and then spin both of them. And then you have two fidget spinners, green and blue. They're like Beyblades, but they don't spin on tables. They do spin on tables, but they don't move.
Hey, when you at the place, what is this? They can shake? Oh, they do anything anywhere. They don't care.
Meow. This is cool. But did you know? Come on, can you spin this one? Was it my finger? This one. Boom. My grandma just helped me. This is the coolest ever. Subscribe to my channel.
Okay, video time is over.
Yeah, well, yeah. This is family time.
Okay, see you guys. Bye.